Hello! Welcome to another day of Vlogmas, opening advent calendars every day. We say every day, but it doesn't always happen. But we're the 13th today, so I'm going to start today with Funkos. These ones are easy to find, as we've said every time, because they're numerical. Not that really matters at all. Ooh, can't get them open. There we go. So we've got this one. We have scissors at the ready because we've learnt from previous videos. Have the scissors ready. And we have just a standard little Donald Duck. That's cool. How cute is he? You'll go.
I have the Christmas rubber duckies.
Yep.
And number 13 over this side.
It's easy to find.
Oh, he's cute.
He is cute.
He's a snowman rubber ducky.
That's cute. I like that one.
Yeah, I like that.
I did notice on this one that it says somewhere about this being baby safe. So just wonder whether it's not designed for adults, but we don't care. Which means today I have Mario.
It's me, Mario.
Such a great impression.
Yeah.
Right, 13th. This is 14th. 13th. Looks big. Is it going to be a character? It is. Bear with. We have to cut him out. So we've got Yoshi. There's a little Yoshi. How cute, see?
Which means I've got the Disney Game and Advent Calendar one.
Advent game and puzzle one.
Yep, that's exactly what I said. Close these doors up.
No, sorry.
Right, number 13 is down here.
Oh.
Die again.
Die.
It's 3 days in a row we've had a die now.
Ooh, we're running out of characters.
And then 2 more pieces of the game board jigsaw.
Yep. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more, please follow along.